Carl Wheezer.
Carl Wheezer.
Competitive eater Carl Wheezer has been found dead at 18. He was last seen at an eating contest where his body was found. The cause of death seems to have been head trauma.
Carl Wheezer seems to have his skull caved in. What were your daily crime?
I wouldn't know anything about that, would I?
Would you?
No. The only thing I was supposed to know is I was supposed to beat him.
Why are you behind the cuffs?
Police ordered my warrant. And, well, here I am with you.
So it seems they got a good amount of evidence against you.
They got nothing against me. It seems like you're just a fake cop. I touched something, didn't you? Don't cry for me? Cry me a river?
So, you're currently here because you are being suspected of the murder of Carl Wheezer. Would you happen to know anything about the murder?
No, not really.
Okay. What were you doing at the death scene?
Well, I was basically the host of the competition.
But why were you at the death scene?
Because I went to go check on what's his name, Carl Wheezer, if he was gonna go or not. But then when I went in there, before I went inside the room, I saw Don Francesco leave the room, and then once I entered the room, I just saw his body dead. I found his body.
So you found the body?
Yeah, I found it at its place, you know.
Yeah.
But I did saw Don Francesco leave the room. You don't drink that?
You want some?
Yeah.
Jimmy, can you get me a